Hey guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are making a deep conditioner for massive hair growth. Okay, the first ingredients that I have is, so guys, the next thing you have to add is your oils. You can add olive oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil that you want to add, you can add it. But as for this video, I'm using Jamaican black castor oil, sweet almond oil, and tea tree essential oil. You can use your other essential oils that you have. You just have to add the three together and mix it very well. There you have it. So guys, as you can see, the consistency is very good and very smooth. You can apply this to your hair after shampooing your hair and cover it up for 1 hour or 30 minutes depending on the type of hair you have. Then you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, until next time, bye.